Set 5. Oh, wow. I thought it was down. We got 4 hits. Tanner Ross ripped that ball. I don't know who brought it up. Probably Cole back there in the back.
Come on, baby girl.
It's baby girl Kinder right there.
Yeah, Calvin Mills on their game right now. Everybody's in there. Watch everybody.
Out of bounds.
Everybody's in their spot.
2-0 Cabell Midland. This game will go to 15, being a tiebreaker. You want to jump on it early. It'll get away fast. Oh, Darby swings and puts it between the blocks. Coach Andre Motley sitting here beside him, and you'll hear a few comments from him.
I wouldn't want to play Cabell Midland right now.
Yeah. Third receive error again for Cabell Midland. Ties it up. I'll tell you what, it's really the first time the crowd's been into the game all night. Huntington High sitting over here, they're getting bored, but they're loving the fact that somebody's going to be tired when they play them. That ball's long. Lakin Bailey on the swing. These girls do more stew tying in the middle of a match, and we got to get them some of those little clip things that kids wear. Good serve by Hall. Bailey comes back half speed on that one. Got a talk, miscommunication, ties the game up.
What year is this number 17? You know the better to do that.
4-3, Spring Valley. Even though this is Cabell Midland's home court, Spring Valley is the home team on the scoreboard because of their record during regular season. That's going to be a lift, yep. They come rolling back. Who's back to serve? Maggie Livingston back to serve. Out of bounds. 6-3. Got to get it under control here. Wow. Callie was leaning and back on one foot and got the kill. One-handed, one-footed roll shot. 4-6, Lunsford serving. Lakin Bailey hits one long. And finally, the student section is getting fired up. All that candy we've been feeding them starting to pay off. And back to Bailey again. Brumfield with the tip. I'd like to see her take that one up against Jessica there, see what she can do. Bellamy's big swing, played out by Camden. Tied at 6. Oh, so there. Should change sides at 8, I believe. We'll see. 7 serving 6. McClure back to serve. Allison. Bellamy with the tip. Nobody there. Tied at 7. Saw the 2 blockers up. Deflected it off to the side. Carolyn Ball. Good floater. Grace has to go up and joust for it. Jessica brings it back and we play it out of bounds. Lake and Bailey back to serve, up 8-7. I guess we don't change sides. Another tip. They took the lead when they were hitting. Now they're starting to tip, and Spring Valley snuck back into it. Free ball. Gives Valley a chance to get in system. And they do. Exactly what you're supposed to do in system. They bring it down. Valley's up 2, 9-7. 5th match. They didn't switch. I don't guess that's a high school thing, right? But they're all playing the 15s when I was told. Kevin. 15? 15. 15? 25. 15? 15? The great Mr. Vickers has ruled that we will play to 15. He gets paid the same whether we pay 3 sets or 5 sets, so he's ready to go home. It is. It's exciting. It got boring in the middle last game, but then they both picked it up. That's some long volleys, good volleys. Who do you want to play, Mason? Who do you want to play? Macy says, well, Macy wants to play Cabell Midland. Dad wants to play Spring Valley.
Yeah, we played them.
Big swing, out of bounds.
I think so, but the last went in. Ten serving 7. Lakeland Bailey, the senior, back on the line. Push to the corner, played up by McClure. Free ball for Cabell Midland. It's getting system. Run the slide, hit out of bounds. Had the slide on, the ball hooked and went out of bounds. Brumfield with the kill. Time to make a move. 8 serving 11. Bellamy on the line. Who was that? I believe that was McClure. Saw the opening. 'Saw the opening in the corner and nailed it. 12-8. Ashton McClure serving. Jalen hits long. We'll take a timeout. Spring Valley's opened it up. 5-point lead. 2 points to take the match. Girls are getting tired. We've been at it for almost 2 hours now. Yeah, just close to 2 hours worth of playing now. Start to wear on them a little bit. Got to get the next point. 14-8. Got their backs against the wall now. Valley comes back, takes the win. Great match between the two. They may see each other again tomorrow.